Guys, welcome back to VITO'S garage. So today we're actually going and we're gonna drive and explore. There's a car that's abandoned. It's actually a Mercedes W208 that I saw not too long ago. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that place. I'm gonna show you everything, and I don't know about the history of the car or anything like that, but I just really want to maybe meet the owner and talk to them and see what's up with the car. Maybe I can help them, you know, fix it, because I could tell it's been sitting for quite a while, maybe 3-4 years, maybe more, I'm not sure. But it would be really awesome if we can save that car actually, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna drive there right now, and you know, we're gonna explore together. Alright guys, so here's the car, and it's been sitting here for a long time actually. It's been sitting here for probably at least 5 years or so. It's all covered up and a bunch of junk, and you know, the mother nature does its own thing if you leave a car like that outside. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to meet the owner and you know, revive this car. I would really love to though. I don't know what happened to the owner. I would really want to know, but I can't tell, guys. And it's actually pretty hot here in Guam, guys. It's insane. It's probably around like 90 or 80 degrees of Fahrenheit. Yeah, that's where the baby Benz is. Alright guys, so this is an apartment complex, but I'm probably just gonna wait and see. Maybe somebody's gonna come out, and then I can talk to them and get some more information about this Benz. And I don't know, I can't promise, but I really want to save this car, you know. So we'll see what happens.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I'm sitting here waiting. Time is flying. Nobody is coming out of the house, and we'll see. But I really want to, you know, revive this car, or at least something, but I don't know if I'm gonna get lucky. So yeah, I'm gonna keep waiting, and then, you know, if nobody comes out, I'm just gonna start probably knocking on the door. 30 minutes later. Alright guys, so unfortunately it didn't work out. Actually, the woman came out of the house, but she had an appointment and she was such in a rush. It was actually her car, and she told me that they parked it because it was like leaking something. She did not know what exactly, probably coolant, I don't know. And this car's just been sitting here for a long time, for like 4 years or so. So I don't know why. I gave her my contact information, so maybe she will you know, message me back or something like that. But I have like 1 more week left here in Guam, so I don't know if we're gonna have time to fix this car up, but who knows. If we will, then I'll obviously film it, but for now, you guys saw the abandoned W208 in Guam. Guam is so pretty, guys. There's lots of places here that are really pretty. I mean, of course there's some places that are not as pretty, but still Guam is actually very nice. I'm so surprised. It's really beautiful, guys. Lots of palm trees and everything. Oh wow.